Did you know China has become a leader in robotics? As US manufacturing faces uncertainty, it's crucial to understand this shift. China boasts more robots than any country except South Korea and Singapore. Their factories produce goods at lower costs and with consistent quality. Meanwhile, the US is lagging. We're focusing on high-tech manufacturing, needing specialized skills not easily replaced by robots. In 2015, China launched Made in China 2025, setting clear benchmarks for industries like electric vehicles and robotics. They produced 276,000 robots last year alone, over half the world's total. The US relies on rare earth metals for high-tech manufacturing. China's recent export halt exemplifies their bargaining power in the trade war. Trump's tariffs brought reactions from allies like Elon Musk, highlighting the stakes in this battle. As the trade war unfolds, American leaders must rethink their strategy. To compete, cooperation with China in robotics may be essential. Let's stay informed and ready for what comes next in this global landscape.